Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be pretty straightforward, straight to the point kind of video. It's not a makeup tutorial. I'm just going to show you how I grill my chicken to give you that very spicy smoky brown feel, So I already arranged my chicken in, this is the chicken thighs. I already arranged it in my grilling pan with foil underneath. So what I'm going to be using is my suya spice and a little olive oil. So I'm going to be using the Saporito Foods olive pomace oil. And if you guys want to see how I made this chicken, I think people should just go and see my first Christmas away from Nigeria. I think I put like a detailed, how I was able to cook my chicken, what ingredients I put in the chicken. So guys, let's get on with the video. Why did you do it? So guys, I already poured little olive oil in this small plate here, and I'm going to be putting like 2 spoons of soya spice, or 1.5 spoon, and I'm going to be using this brush to brush the mixture of oil and soya spice on the chicken. So I'm just going to take this brush and brush over. I don't want to put so much oil because this chicken has a lot of oil. Like when I mean a lot of oil, I mean a lot of oil. So I don't want to add the already existing oil you get. To my oven now, I'm going to set the button to broil, and to set it either low or high, I'm going to start with low first, so it takes its time to slowly broil the chicken or slowly grill the chicken. And I'm going to set the timer to 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to set this up and push the start button. Okay, it's already counting down, so I'm just going to leave it, and when it gets to 5 minutes and I look at it and I'm sure it's cooked like the way I want it to cook, I'm going to flip over the chicken to the other side and use my brush and brush apply the mixture of oil and soya spice on my chicken. So my timer is off. I'm just going to quickly check if okay, it's coming up really nice. I'm going to set it to another 4 minutes before I flip it over. Okay, looking good. Yes, we are looking good. I just don't want it to burn, so I'm just taking my time to grill it in bits. So another timer for another 4 minutes. So guys, I'm just going to flip this the other way and apply the mixture of soya spice and oil on the chicken. So guys, I'm just going to quickly put the chicken back in the oven. I already, brushed on my oil and soya spice mixture. I'm just going to put this in the oven and time it again. So guys, this is the outcome of my chicken, looking all brownish and spicy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a very simple procedure. So if you have soya spice at home, or you don't have, I think you should get one, and you have an oven, don't just restrict your oven to just baking. Try and have some smoky grilled chicken. I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fab day ahead. Bye guys.